Alright, got cut off on the last video. Sorry about that. This one will just wrap up this last problem here. So we're currently adding up all of our snowfall totals for the 4 months we know. So the last one was in February, and that's 7.9. But we're looking for how much we need in March. So I'm going to say plus X. And when you average, you divide by how many there are. So in this case, there will be 5, since we're looking for how much we need in the 5th month. So we're going to add those up. And so you can use your calculator here. I'm going to get 2 plus 8.4 plus 11.2 plus 7.9 equals 29.5 plus X over 5. But we need to finish the inequality here because it says how much would be necessary to exceed the average snowfall of 7.28. So we want to know how much X has to be so that this comes out to be greater than 7.28. Okay, so to solve for X, multiply by 5 on both sides to get rid of the fraction. So we get 29.5 plus X has to be greater than 12.28. And then subtract off your, I added 5. That's why it does not seem right. 7.28 times 5 is actually 36.4. Subtract off your 29.5, and we get X is greater than 6.9. Okay, so we get that X has to be greater than 6.9. So since this was a word problem, we should go back and actually write a nice sentence. That's going to be a big focus this year. So we should write like, it needs to snow more than 6.9 inches to exceed the average. Okay, so a nice little sentence like that. All right, so that wraps up where we were at with absolute value. So we talked about regular absolute value inequalities, and then absolute value, or regular inequalities and absolute value inequalities. So here's your assignment. You can use the rest of the time today to work on it. It is due on Monday. And then Monday I'll answer any questions you had, and then your quiz will be on Tuesday if you're second or third hour, and then Wednesday if you are 8th hour. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. See you later.